We looked for features like automatic needle threading, backstitch functions, adjustable stitch length and width, and clear labeling that can enhance ease of use. We ensured the machine came with essential items like presser feet, bobbins, and a seam ripper, and noted any additional accessories like extension tables and quilting feet that may also be beneficial depending on your sewing needs. Finding the perfect sewing machines can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best sewing machines from trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now, let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Brother Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. Our top pick for the best overall sewing machine is the Brother Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine because it is a versatile and feature-packed option that caters to both sewers and quilters. It is durable, easy to set up and use, and has all the functionalities an experienced sewer would find convenient without any fussy extras that could confuse beginners. One of the standout features of this machine is the start/stop function that allows you to control the machine with a button instead of the pedal. It's handy to be able to push the button to quickly stop the machine if you make a mistake. However, where this function shines is with beginner sewers, especially kids, because they can use this button instead of trying to master the pedal, so they don't feel overwhelmed by so much multitasking. Other buttons are handy, like the reverse and the needle up/down button, which makes it easy to keep your needle down when you need to pivot. The automatic needle threading is a convenient way to save a lot of time. The arm of the needle threader descends and stays put until it's engaged, which takes a lot of frustration out of threading your needle. It also has a quick-set drop-in top bobbin that is jam-resistant. All you have to do is pop the bobbin in place and let the machine do the rest for you. Number 2. Brother Serger Metal Frame Overlock Machine. It's easy to see why the Brother Serger Metal Frame Overlock Machine is one of the most popular sergers on the market. It's a reliable and versatile overlock machine designed to streamline the process of finishing raw edges, sewing seams, and creating professional-looking hems to put a polish on all of your designs. One of the first things we noticed about this model is its sturdy construction for such a nicely compact machine. The heavy-duty metal frame provides stability and durability, which is promising for even thicker fabrics. In our testing, it sliced through both woven cotton and denim with ease and precision, making us confident that it can handle multiple layers of denim and other heavy materials, despite its powerful performance. The 1034D is remarkably easy to use, even for beginners. When we opened the box, we found that the preloaded threads had come out during shipping, making for a tangled mess in the box. Luckily, the color-coded threading system and lay-in threading made it simple to rethread it correctly. If we had any problems, the included instructional DVD would have provided step-by-step guidance. The pedal wasn't too touchy, either, so you could use the pedal to increase the speed without it taking off too quickly. Number 3. Singer Quantum Stylus Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Singer Quantum Stylus Sewing and Quilting Machine is like having a creative powerhouse right at your fingertips, and with its heavy-duty metal frame, you can trust that this machine will stand up to whatever you throw at it. It would take days to discover its incredible array of stitch options, more than 600 in total, including everything from simple basics to intricate decorative designs. While all of these details could sound overwhelming, a visual guide is displayed under the lid so you can see the pretty designs at a glance, plus 13 different buttonholes and specialty stitches like one that is just for tacks. All of these options could seem daunting, except it has a stellar user-friendly design that holds your hand through each step on a large LCD screen. Use it to select your stitches and adjust settings. During testing, we needed to use the manual at first to learn what the symbols for each button meant, but they made sense to us and were easy to remember. Number 4. Best Heavy-Duty Janome Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. If you found that you are outgrowing your current sewing machine and want a solid upgrade, or if you are a sewing newbie who isn't afraid of investing in a machine as long as it will grow with you, take a look at this model by Janome.it. Checks all the boxes of must-haves with a combination of durability, reliability, and versatility rolled up into a solid build that will stand up to years of heavy use. In our testing, every feature we tried out was satisfyingly sturdy, from the way the presser foot snaps into place to how sturdy the backstitch button feels when you force it down. Seasoned sewers will appreciate its wide range of built-in stitches, including essential stitches, straight, zigzag, and decorative stitches, as well as stretch stitches for sewing on knits. Simply turn the dial to select the stitch and the appropriate length and width adjustments with the move of a dial. Choose 3 for regular sewing, 2 for appliques, and 1 for delicates like chiffon and lace or velour and knits. In our testing, zigzag stitches on sturdy denim with a little bit of stretch came out perfectly even and straight. Number 5. Burnett B33 Swiss Design Sewing Machine. The Burnett B33 Swiss Design Sewing Machine is a compact and versatile sewing machine designed to meet the needs of both beginners and intermediate sewers. With its user-friendly features and solid construction, it offers an excellent balance of functionality and affordability. Burnett is the bridge line for Bernina, the beloved Swiss mark. While this model may lack some advanced features found in the higher-end model, it more than makes up for it with its affordability and reliability. Since it comes at a lower price point, it's a great value buy. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.